In subtraction step 20 to 23, we're looking at the next multiple of 10. So in subtraction step 20, it says, what's the next multiple of 10? And it's very tempting for somebody to say, oh, this is really easy. I'm just going to rush through this. This doesn't matter. This really matters because it's going to be something that helps you do subtraction, not just with the small numbers, but also with the larger numbers. So what you need to know is that all the multiples of 10 are here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Basically the 10 times table. They all end in a 0. We know that all multiples of 10 end in a 0 forever and ever, amen. Now, so for example, if they say to you, what's the next multiple of 10 after 17? Well, you find where 17 is, you go along the row and see what appears at the end, and the next multiple is 20. If they say, what's the next multiple of 10 from 62? All the way, it's not the closest, you're not rounding, you're going to the next multiple of 10. So you go along the line and you choose the number that's at the end of the row. Now in step 21, it asks you how far that is. So if we look at 17 and we count 1, 2, 3, it's 3 from 17 to 20. If you know your bonds to 10, this makes it a lot easier because I know that 7 and 3 makes 10. So therefore, it must be 3 jumps from 17 to 20. Same here. Think about it. What do you add to 2 to make 10? If you don't know, put 2 fingers down and see how many fingers are left up. There should be 8, unless you've had one of your fingers chopped off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. What do you add to 5 to make 10? 5. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, that seems, a lot of people say, oh, that's really, really easy. Yeah, it is. But it will really help you then when you're doing things like, what's 70 take away 62? Now, what you don't want to do is start on 70 and count back 62. I mean, I suppose you could, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 62. But that's going to take you a long time if you don't have the 100 square in front of you. What you can do is you can say, right, I know, flip it. I know that 70 take away 62 is basically the difference between 70 and 62. And I know that that's 8 because I know that to get from 62 to 70 is 8. Therefore, 70 take away 62 must be 8. Let's have a look at 20 take away 17. I could count back 17, or I could say, how far is it from 17 to 20? Well, it's 3. So 20 take away 17 is 3. 100 take away 95? Well, what's the difference between the two numbers? How far is it from 95 to 100? It's 5. And then you can flip that and you could say, for example, what's 84 take away 80? Well, again, I could go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Yeah, I could, and the answer's 4. But actually, if I do what we've just been doing and say, well, how far is it from 80 to 84? Well, it's 4. Then, therefore, 84 take away 80 is 4. Do another one. 56 take away 50. How far is it from 50 to 56? Well, that's got a 0 there, that's got a 6 there, it must be 6. All you have to do is look at what that last number is if you're taking away multiples of 10. Because look, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay?